Hi and welcome to our ultimate guide on signalling. Keep watching this video and we'll show you how to use your signals correctly. So why signal? Well, we should use our signals either to warn or inform other road users of our intentions. This should include pedestrians as they too will benefit from what you intend to do. Always signal in good time as this will allow other road users to see or hear your signal and act upon it. Signalling too soon may confuse others, especially when there's several roads close together. Signal too late and you may cause vehicles behind to brake hard. Avoid unnecessary signals which may confuse others. Consider if a signal is necessary before moving off or passing parked vehicles. Don't signal carelessly or wave pedestrians across the road, as this may be dangerous. Always make sure your signal is cancelled after use. Remember the MSM routine and be aware of your surroundings before you signal. So let's look at the types of signal. You'll all be familiar with the directional signals which inform others of your intentions. You also have signals that warn others of your presence, such as flashing your lights or sounding your horn. Avoid flashing your lights to beckon on other road users as this may be confusing and potentially dangerous. Avoid sounding your horn to reprimand other road users and don't use it aggressively. Also avoid using the horn after 11:30 at night and before 7 in the morning. You've also got your brake lights to warn others you're slowing down. You've got your reverse lights to let people know you're going to be reversing. And of course you've got your hazard warning lights to let people know you've broken down or to warn them of a problem ahead. Okay, so let's show you some good examples of signalling. Here we're turning right at a mini roundabout, so we've got our signal on and the red car opposite has got their signal on too, so everyone knows where they're going in good time. Good signalling. Here on the dual carriageway we've got an entry slip so the oncoming vehicle's putting on a signal. I'm putting on my signal to go round safely. Here we have a moped or a motorcycle. I'm going to go for the overtake, so a mirror signal that informs and warns people ahead that we're going to be going round. And here we're signalling off a roundabout where we've got those pedestrians at the crossing looking to cross, so a signal would have definitely benefited them. Here we've got the van, he's put his hazard lights on, then his brake lights. That just lets me know he's going to deliver, he's maybe going to pull up. Here we got the car in front using good signals, so he's got his signal on to turn right. That's helping those pedestrians just to confirm where he's definitely going to go. And then he's going to be turning left in the new road, so he's going to pop on a signal in good time, lets me know what he's doing. Here we got the silver car popping on a signal. That's helpful for the pedestrian to let him know where he's going. And here we have a car at a mini roundabout signalling right. So you'd assume he's going right, but here he's actually going to turn into his driveway. So maybe an arm signal might be useful there. Here turning right, so we've got a junction on the right, and then at the end of the road we're turning right. So we need to time the signal so we're not too early, so we don't confuse people where we're going. Here we're using a signal at a mini roundabout. Used in good time, and then we go. And for the exit of the roundabout, no signal required. Here we're just going to pull up on the left, so we've put the signal on in good time and pulling up in a safe place on the left. Moving off, there is a car behind, so we're going to pop that signal on. And here we're going to go around a parked car, but we've got a junction on the right, so we don't want to use a signal to go around that parked car as that may be confusing. Here we're going to go around a parked car, but we are turning right, so we've just delayed the signal, so that's well timed to let the car behind to know where we're going. Okay, so now we're on the roundabout, turning right, so we're going to time our signal so people know we're going to leave that roundabout. Okay, so here we're on a faster moving road, so we're going to get that signal on in good time, those brake lights on as well, to let that car behind know what we're doing. Okay, so here we're approaching a mini roundabout, turning right, so we've got our right signal on, let everyone know where we're going to go. And also it's just worth mentioning, for a mini roundabout we don't need an exit signal, it's just the big full size roundabouts we use that. Here in the car park we want to park on the left, so we've just popped the left signal on, showing the brake lights. Now we've just popped on a right, so we're going to pull across, reverse lights on into the space. and there a little thank you just for the driver waiting. Okay, so now we're going to show you some bad signalling. So we've simulated these, so we're putting on a signal there to go around the park van and then signalling back in, just not necessary. Here turning right, no signal. And again for turning left, no signal at all. Signalling to go around a parked car, there is a junction on the right, so where are they going? Okay, so the traffic lights turning right, dedicated filter lane, so no signal for turning right required. But then look what they do. Turn left, no signal, so a left signal would have benefited there. Here repeated tapping of the brake lights is just confusing for drivers behind as to what they're doing. And here we get a flash and a little wave to go. So please just make sure that's safe before you proceed. So that's the end of our short video. Please like, subscribe and comment about what you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.